Back Secretariat, do you have a prospective bidders online? To our prospective bidders, you may type your name and the company that you represent in our chat box for records purposes. Online na. So again, before I begin, to our prospective bidders, you may type your name and the company that you represent in our chat box for records purposes po. Isa pa lang, ano. So again, to our prospective bidders, you may type your name and the company they represent in our chat box for records purposes. So to our prospective bidders, welcome to the Briefed Conference for the supply and delivery of IT equipment, desktop with softwares and printers, and conference room equipment with 4K television and conference room speaker and microphone for LCD. So for the invitation to bid, the project title is Supply and Delivery of IT Equipment, Desktop with Software and Printers and Conference Room Equipment, 4K Television and Conference Room Speaker and Microphone for LCD with bid number 24-052-08 Bravo. The source of fund in CAAP Corporate Budget, COA 2024, and the approved budget for the contract is 1,421,112 pesos. The delivery period for this project is 45 calendar days upon receipt of the NTP, with the applicable fee for the bidding documents is 5,600, inclusive of the 12% VAT. The bid opening is scheduled on August 28, 2024 at 9:30 a.m. For the bid data sheet, ITB Clause 5.t, for the purpose of contract similar to this project shall be procurement of IT equipment and shall have completed within the last 5 years a single contract that is similar to this project equivalent to at least 50% of the ABC. Subcontracting is not allowed. For ITB Clause 14.1, the bid security shall be in the form of bid securing declaration or any of the following forms and amount, not less than 28,422 and 24 centavos if bid security is in cash, cashier's manager's check, bank draft guarantee, or irrevocable letter of credit, or in the amount of not less than 71,055 pesos and 60 cents if bid is security is in surety bond. ITB Clause 14.2, the bid security in the form of surety bond shall be valid until 120 calendar days. ITB Clause 15, each page thereof shall be initialed by the duly authorized representative of the bidder. Submitted eligibility, technical and financial document shall be properly marked with index tabs and must be sequentially paginated in accurate order in the form of example page 3 of 100. Pagination shall be sequential all throughout the document inside the envelope. ITB Clause 19.3, 1,421,112 pesos being the ABC to payments under the contract for supply and delivery of IT equipment, desktop with softwares and printers, and conference rooms equipment, 4K television, and conference room speaker and microphone for LCD. ITB Clause 20.2, the bidder with the lowest calculated bid that complies with and is responsive to all the requirements and conditions shall submit its latest income and business tax return filed through the EFPS. Businesses, licenses, and permits required by law, like registration certificate, mayor's permit, and tax clearance, and latest audited financial statement, and submitted documents that expired after the opening of bids, certification under oath attesting that they have no pending case or cases against the government, legal clearance to be issued by the CAAP Enforcement and Legal Service, and bid bulletins if applicable. Failure to submit any of the post-qualification requirements on time or a finding against the veracity thereof shall be disqualified the bidder for award, provided that in the event that a finding against the veracity of any of the documents submitted is made, it shall cause the forfeiture of the bid security in accordance with Section 69 of the IRR or RA 9184. For GCC Clause 2.2, partial payment is not allowed. Terms of payment shall be 100% after complete delivery of goods. And GCC Clause 4, the inspection and tests that will be conducted are if all delivered items are in accordance with the technical specifications. For the technical specification of the desktops, as shown, for the technical specification of printers, as shown, for the technical specifications of 4K television, as shown, for the technical specifications of the webcam, as shown, for the technical specification of the conference room speaker and mic, as shown, for the schedule of requirements, all items should be delivered 45 calendar days upon receipt of the NTP. For the checklist of technical and financial documents, as shown, that's all. Thank you. So at this juncture, the floor is now open for any clarifications of our prospective bidders. So, may tanong po ba yung prospective bidders po natin? O plus C Express Corp.
Sir, good morning po. Where can we receive po a copy of the bidding docs, sir?
Bidding-
Kung pwede pa.
Bidding docs, ma'am, is nakapublish po siya sa website and then sa PhilJeps po.
Okay, noted, sir. Thank you, sir.
Meron pa po ba?
Any more?
Going once, going twice.
Sir, wait lang po, sir. Isahin ko muna ng technical specs, sir.
Sige po.
Sir, kakapasok ko lang kasi ilang copies nga po pala delivery ay bidding docs na isasubmit nito, sir?
Ano po ulit, sir? Sorry po.
Ilang copies po i-prepare namin?
Isa lang po.
Okay. Sir, regarding po sa desktop, sa processor,
Processor.
baka sir, pwede makonsider din natin na babaan yung base frequency na 3.4 GHz kasi yung mga latest gen kasi mas mababa na yung base frequency nila.
Bababaan natin, sir, yung base frequency.
Opo, sir. Baka po sir, pwede ma-consider yung 2.5 GHz na base frequency.
Sir, that is the minimum requirement. Pero if, sir, magsulat kayo, sir, ng letter sa amin para makapag-issue kami ng bid bulletin or mapag-aralan namin, sir, yung request ninyo para ma-consider namin ulit sa market study po muna namin.
Sige, sir. Sir, yung desktop natin requirement nito, sir, no? Branded naman to, sir, no?
Yes. Ma-specify naman siya sa text specs.
Teka. Yung bundled software, sir, Windows 11, Microsoft Office, PDF. Itong PDF editor at photo editor, sir, pwede niyo ba masabi kung anong application, ano to, sir? Software talaga hinahanap natin?
PDF editor. Yes, sir. PDF editor po.
Yan po talaga yung software na?
Any brand naman, sir, ng PDF editor will do.
Yung photo editor, sir?
Ganun din, sir. Any brand naman po.
Sige. Latest version. Okay. I think, sir, wala naman akong other questions sa technical specs. Yun lang, sir. I-later na lang namin yung sa sir, base frequency ng desktop kung po pwede.
Sige, sir. Thank you, sir. Hintayin na lang namin, sir, yung clarificatory letter niyo, sir. Pero as per the deadline, sir, is 10 days before the opening of bids, yung deadline ng mga queries and other clarifications po.
Sige, sir. Salamat po.
Thank you, sir. 1 plus C, may tanong po ba ulit? O plus C.
Wala na po, sir. Mag-letter na lang kami kung may mga clarification po.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po. So, sir, that's end our PVID conference. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Salamat po, sir.